How to sound professional when you're pissed. How do you sound professional when you're angry? I'm busy. I have no time for that shit.
I'm extremely busy and have no time for that.
This code is a mess.
This code is an absolute mess.
You see, we all experience moments of frustration, but directing that frustration at others is counterproductive. VoiceWriter listens to your rant and translates your words into polished and professional text, so you don't have to worry about offending anyone. Use VoiceWriter today at voicewriter.io or install the extension on your Chrome. With VoiceWriter, your voice always comes out writer.